morning folks, let's go outside and have a look at what's the weather and what have we got here. Oh, the sun's not up yet, cloud inversion, very dank and overcast. Hi folks, how you getting on? It's Kenny here. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today is the 27th of May I believe, and I'm currently all packed up after my overnight stay there at the side of this dam here down at the start of Loch Lyon. Today we're going to head down and do Beinn Heasgarnich and Creag Mhor. So we'll cycle down to the end of the loch here and head up to the left, do a horseshoe and back down and away. It's a beautiful morning. I had a kind of disturbed and fitful sleep thanks to that big spouting vent from the dam, but hey ho, that's the way it goes. I was down last night and we went up Beinn Heasgarnich, and that I've got a video of that if you want to have a wee look. But the whole idea of staying overnight was just to cut down the fuel costs and saving a bit of time as well, because it is a bit of travelling to get to some of these Munros for us, and we're going to try and save costs whenever we can, eh? Anyway, let's go and see what today's adventure brings. Cheers. It's a nice track we have here to cycle along Loch Lyon here. For those that watch the channel, I've been up this way before by accident. I came in the dark one night and pitched at the dam and woke up in the morning and set off aiming for Loch Lyon, and got a fright when I got up here because I couldn't see the mountain. Now, I've already been over the Munros twice. This is my third round, so you'd think I would know better, but anyway, I kept walking along this path and came to a area further ahead where I decided to head up onto the hill, and lo and behold, after a few hours I actually climbed the wrong mountain, Beinn Heasgarnich. Anyway, we all make mistakes. Lovely wee falls there. After a wee while, as you turn the corner in the loch, you come to this little shielings here. This is the place to get off the bike. It's pretty pathless here, but we're basically heading up there to go onto that ridgeline, then out to the summit of our first one, Heasgarnich, and Creag Mhor is heading round the back there. Pretty steep going, but looking back at the end of Loch Lyon there, that'd be a normal approach there to Beinn Heasgarnich there, and straight through there is Beinn Heasgarnich there, and Beinn Heasgarnich under a wee wisp of cloud, and spinning round there is Creag Mhor and Beinn Heasgarnich there. After a decent pull from the shielings down there, we get up onto the kind of ridge, and the sun is up now, and we get to spin around and see our first target. A little bit of cloud shrouding the bonnet just now, so there's 2 steps up. There's the summit there, Beinn Heasgarnich. Summit Cairn, Beinn Heasgarnich, and a bit of a pea super so far. Getting a view there across to Beinn Callum's over there, sorry. That's the Bridge of Orchy ones, that's Doreen, that's Andotai there, and Beinn Heasgarnich, and Acaladea, and Creag Mhor. Over there to Creag Mhor where we're going next, it's over there. Doesn't look like the cloud is going to lift, so we'll just set off. I've checked the map and the compass here because I don't want to go wandering. You can just about see our route ahead along, and then we go down off that rocky outcrop and get across to the Beiliach there. So now we descend. Pretty straightforward descent when you can see where you're going. We're basically over there, down and across to that Beiliach. Big loss of height now. Have to descend to where all the water is, then up the water course, then aiming to the left, keep away from the rocky crags, and up onto Creag Mhor. You can see you give a lot of height away on this descent. We're not there yet, a bit to go, then we'll work our way up and round the back of Creag Mhor. Then we're down to this Beiliach here. I find a sheltered spot up at that boulder and we'll start our meander up. We'll stop here and have some lunch now, get our own running water. Look at the view up that shoulder there, wow. And then the summit's away over there, clouds shifting a little bit. After another big pool, we're at the summit area, just up here amongst the rocks. Perfect spot to camp. Summit of Creag Mhor. There's Beinn Heasgarnich, clear now. And he's spinning round there to the ones at Bridge of Orchy. All the way through there to Creag, Beinn Louis, Beinn Os, Beinn de Creag, Beinn Callan, Beinn Mhor, Beinn, Creag Drain. That area there. And that's the back side of one of the Corbetts there, and the two Munros that you get from just at the side of Creag Mhor, and all the way across there up into Beinn Law's area. And that was our route. We went up into the shadows, up onto the lowest point there, and then just a straight walk all the way up to the summit, then a zigzag across that plateau, down that steep rocky descent to the Beinn there, and we've traversed across that plateau and up this ridge round the back of the hill and up to the summit. So we'll do the same in reverse, and we'll go down to that Beinn and we'll just follow the water outlet back down to Loch Lyon and pick up the bike. Let's go. Once we get off the rocky terrain, it should be pretty easy going. Look back up the glen there. So basically handrailed this water outlet and it follows all the way into the loch there, Loch Lyon. Beautiful spot there, eh? Idyllic. And another temptation, that's deeper. It's those stones in your bare feet. I don't want to get in with my boots. This one may be too good to leave behind, so I'll just have a go. Could do with a wee bit of a dip. Let's go. St Daniel Creag's got nothing to worry about. Brilliant. And no fish or no marine life were harmed in that small episode there. But what a difference it makes to your body temperature that. That was such a cooling and refreshing dip. No point in putting things off if you've got the chance to do it. Just get it done. Let's go. Not worried about the wet boots because we haven't got far to go, and we're going to be using the bike to cycle all the way back to the beginning at the dam. Hi folks, that's us back down now, safe and sound. If you've stayed with me this far, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing. I'm sitting at 960 now, so I'm getting close to that magic 1000 subscribers. So if you know anyone or haven't subscribed, please consider letting them know about the channel and encouraging them to subscribe so that I can reach that 1000. Here's hoping. Highlights was definitely Creag Mhor summit and the clear views. Disappointing that Beinn Heasgarnich was in thick cloud, very cold. I'm glad I had the winter fleece, and no marine life were killed when I had that wee quick dip in there. That was fantastic. Although I'll probably get a bill from SEPA for polluting the river. Anyway, nice to see you, and I hope you're keeping well, looking out for each other, and I'll catch up with you the next time, eh? Cheers, ATB. Folks, leave no trace, as they say, and our big dam vent is still blowing away. Let's go all the way up the glen, 11 miles, and then another 14 miles. There, pal. What are you saying to board the people stop, eh? Catch you later, pal.